Another type of puzzle problem that you might encounter could involve shapes. So you could see triangles, squares, rectangles, but you'll have unknown sides of a shape and you'll have to use equations to find the missing sides. So in this problem, you guys probably were able to guess and check in the discussion board, but I want to show you a way to do it using equations. So it says the perimeter of a triangle is 100 centimeters. So remember, a perimeter is you're adding up the outside of the shape. Two sides of the triangle are equal. So I'm going to immediately just start drawing a triangle. Actually, I'll finish reading it first. The third side is 10 centimeters greater than the other two sides. So I'm going to draw a triangle where one side is longer than the other two, but the other two are equal. So let's pretend those two sides are equal. And then this side is 10 centimeters greater than those two sides. It says find the length of all three sides of the triangle. So we know two sides are equal, so I'm going to say that those two unknowns are x. So x, both sides are x. And then the third side is 10 centimeters greater than these sides, so we're going to take that x and add 10 to it. And then all of that should add up to be 100. So we're going to take our x plus x plus x plus 10 and set that equal to 100. So we've got 3 x's, so 3x plus 10 equals 100. We subtract 10 on both sides. We've got 3x equals 90. And then if we divide by 3, we find out that x equals 30. So what that tells me is that two sides of the triangle are 30. And then the final length of the triangle is going to be 30 plus 10, so the final side will be 40. So this works for any type of shape where they give you the descriptions of the sides. Usually one of the sides you can designate as x, and then you're going to manipulate that x with the different clues that it gives you and use that to set up your equation. So hopefully you guys can try out the next question using equations.